Welcome to our tutorial on creating a basic Google site. In this video, you'll learn how to take your basic School Loop teacher page and turn it into an accessible and responsive Google site that meets district standards. To prepare for your new Google site, you should have all of your content saved to your computer. If you need help with this, please take a look at our online tutorial for saving your School Loop content first. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Google account with your APS email address, so head on over to google.com and hit the sign in button on the top right of the page. Once you've logged in, click on the Google Apps menu and select Google Drive. Select New, More, Google Sites. This will open your new site. Next, you'll need to add a title to your site. This title here is the site document name and is visible only to you. This one here is the site name, and it appears in the header of your site, as well as in the title bar of your browser once the site is published. As for the page title, each page you create in your site has its own title that will appear at the top of the page as well as in the navigation menu. Now let's get to the fun part, picking a background image for your site. You can upload a picture from here, or you can choose from one of Google's site-ready pictures. When choosing a picture for your background, avoid using something too busy that may conflict with your text. Next, you're going to want to choose a theme. Keeping accessibility in mind here, avoid choosing a theme and font style that may conflict with your background image. We recommend using the impression or level themes, because any font style you choose will look great. Themes can be found in the toolbar on the right side of the page. Now it's time to start adding the content to your new site. On our example School Loop page, we had a picture with a short bio, so let's go grab that and add it here to the Google site. Open the document that you saved from your School Loop site and copy just the text from the bio. On your Google site, add a text box by clicking on Text Box from the Insert menu. Since the text was copied, it can be simply pasted here into our text box. You may want to add another text box with contact information so that your viewers can email you. You can also arrange your content by clicking and dragging these boxes. When you save content from your School Loop site, you save pictures and documents to a folder on the desktop. To add a picture to the Google site, you just need to drag and drop it from the desktop into the page. You can then move the picture so it is aligned with your text by dragging it up next to your bio text. If you would like to add a document or a list of documents for your visitors to view or download, you'll first need to upload them to your Google Drive. Please review the tutorial for that on the WebTeams intranet page. It's best to upload your documents into a folder on your Google Drive. That way, anything you put in that folder will show up on your website. To add a folder from your Google Drive, click on Drive from the Insert menu on the right and select the folder you would like to add. You can resize this element or any element by grabbing one of these round sizing controls and dragging it. You may also want to add a calendar to your website so that you can post important dates or homework assignments. If you already use a Google Calendar, then you're in luck. All you need to do is add it from the Insert menu on the right. Just click here on the calendar and a list of your calendars will show up. From here, you just need to select one and hit the Insert button. You can select the gear icon to adjust the display settings. If you do not already use a Google Calendar, you need to view the tutorial on creating a Google Calendar on the WebTeams intranet site. Once you click the Publish button at the top of the page, you'll be prompted with some options. To be sure that parents and students can access your website, you'll want to select anyone on the web can visit your site. You can also check the box for public search engines to not display your site. This will make it so your site will not show up in search results from Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. Congratulations, you just created an accessible and responsive website.